Hello friends, in previous video we had learned about distance, displacement, motion. In today's video we are going to understand what is speed, what is velocity, and also we will learn about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So for better understanding, watch the complete video and don't forget to subscribe. Speed. Speed of the body is distance traveled by it per unit time. It gives an idea of how slow or fast the body is moving. It doesn't matter what the object is. It always gives the idea of how slow or fast that object or body is moving. Speed formula distance by time. SI unit for speed is meter per second. To understand this, we will take the example. Well, here a girl. Well, here is the girl. A girl travels from her house to school. The distance is 200 km, which she has completed in 40 seconds. Alright, from her house to school, total distance is 200 km, time 40 seconds. Now we have to find the speed. For finding the speed, we take the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 200 km divided by time 40 seconds. The answer is 5 meter per second. The girl has taken 5 meter per second of speed to travel from her house to school. The displacement of the body per unit time is called velocity. We know that speed doesn't give idea of direction of motion. To know the exact position of moving object, we need the direction. Directions like east or west or south, like where the object is traveling, in which direction the object is traveling. Consider an example. Here, house is initial position and school is final position. A girl traveled from her house to school. The distance is 200 km, which she has completed in 40 seconds. Then she returned from school to her house. From school to house distance is 200 km, which she has completed in 40 seconds. To know the speed, take the formula. Distance by time. Distance is 200 plus 200. 2 times distance because she traveled from house to school. Then school to house. That's why the distance is 2 times. 200 plus 200 and time is 40 plus 40 is equals to 400 by 80. Answer is 5 meter per second. Here the speed is 5 meter per second. Now what is velocity? To know the velocity, take the formula displacement by time. Displacement by time. Here final minus initial divided by time. Velocity is equals to 0 by 80 second is equals to 0. Here velocity is 0. You know what? I know what you are thinking. 0. How and why the velocity is 0? Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. I will tell you the reason. Here I said that a girl traveled from her house to school. Then she returned from school to her house. It means her starting point is house and end point is also house. Alright? House to school, then school to her house. Initial position is house and also her final position is house. That's why here velocity is 0. The velocity will be 0 when a body travels a certain distance and return to the same point immediately. That's why here the velocity is 0. Uniform motion. What is uniform motion? It means equal distance, same time. A body travels from position A to position B. Distance is 10 km, which is completed in 5 minutes. Then position B to position C, 10 km. At last, position C to position D, 10 km. Here we can see that distances are equal and also the time. The time is same, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Distances 10 km, 10 km, 10 km. If you want to know the speed, take the speed formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Here distance is 10 and time is 5. Answer is 2 meter per second. We can see that uniform motion is constant. From position A to B, the speed is 2 meter per second. Then position B to position C, speed is 2 meter per second. Then C to D, 2 meter per second. Here speed is same, so the uniform motion is constant. Uniform motion, when body travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform motion, when body travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Just now we had discussed that in uniform motion, equal distances in same intervals of time. In uniform motion, there will be equal distances and same time. But in non-uniform motion, distances are different and time is same. Different distances in same time interval. Well, consider an object which is traveling from A to B. Distance is 25 km, then B to C 5 km, then C to D 10 km. Here the time is same, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. To know the speed, take the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance 25 km and time is 10 minutes. So the speed is 2.5 meter per second. From position A to position B, the speed is 2.5 meter per second. Then B to C, the speed is 0.5 meter per second. Then at last C to D, the speed is 1 meter per second. Here we can see that speed is either decreasing or increasing, but not same. Here the non-uniform motion is not constant, while uniform motion is constant.